Yes, children. So, in previous videos, I have made you understand the introduction of noun. Okay, as you have read that the noun is the name of the person, place, things, and animals. Okay, so here you can see that the next exercise for all of you. We all help you use words from the box to name us. Okay, we all help you. Here we have to read the name of the person. Okay, so you know that person were surrounded by so many people. Person were surrounded by so many people, and all of them have different names. All the persons are having the different names. So this all person help us to identify. Means we will identify all this person. Okay, those who help us in our society. Okay, so you can see that there are many persons in this picture, and they all help us. They all help to the society also. Okay, so the first one, that I mend shoes. I mend shoes. I am a cobbler. Okay, I mend shoes. I am a cobbler. It means what is the work of the cobbler? He mend shoes, he polish shoes, repair your shoes. Okay, and sandals also. So this is the work of the cobbler. He mends shoes. Okay, so you can see that this is the picture of the cobbler. Next one is the tailor. I stitch clothes. Okay, so the clothes which you wear every day in your life, that all the clothes are stitched by the tailor. They make beautiful design of your clothes. Okay, so the work of the tailor, that they stitch the clothes. Okay, so the person, those who stitch the clothes, they are called tailor. Okay, next, I treat you when you are sick. Okay, so when we fall sick, then we all are treated by the doctor. Okay, they all doctors make us fit. They make us healthy by giving the medicines. Okay, so when we fall sick, then we all are treated by the doctor. Okay, so doctor is a very important person in our society. Next, I look after plants. I am a gardener. When you are having a beautiful garden in your school or in the park, if you are having a beautiful garden near your house, or if you are having a beautiful park near your house, that park and the garden is cared by the gardener, because he looks after plants and he makes the plants beautiful. He gives the good shape of all the plants. Okay, so who care the plants? Gardener care the plants. Next, I grow crops. I am a farmer. Okay, so the crops which we eat every day in our life, like wheat, rice, pulses, all these grains are you can say that all these grains are grown by the farmer. Okay, so they do hard work in the field and they grow crops, and in this way the farmer helps to the society. So they all are very important person. There are many persons in the society who help us. Okay, children, so you try to know about them also. Next, we have to move to the next page number. Okay, and the next page number is 15. You see that in this page number 15, fill in the blanks to name the houses of these animals. As we live in the house, we all are having our separate house. Okay, so as we are living in the house, in the same way animals are also having their house, and different animals live in the different houses, and all are having the different names of their houses. Okay, so fill in the blanks to name the houses of these animals. It means यहाँ पे जो है हम houses के names को जानेंगे, that which animals live in what type of the houses. Okay, so the first one is that I build a nest. Who lives in the nest? Birds. Okay, birds you see in the garden and in the park. Okay, so birds make beautiful nest and they live in the nest. So bird lives in the nest. Next, I build a hive. Okay, I build a hive, that honeybees, you can see honeybees. Okay, honeybees you can see in the forest or in the park as well as in the garden also. So honeybees build a hive. Okay, and they all honeybees live in the hive. Next, I live in tree. Who is living in the tree? You can see that monkeys. Okay, monkeys are jumping animals. Okay, they are going just jumping one branch to another branch. So branches we can found in the tree. So monkeys live in a tree and they jump one branch to another branch. They play on the tree. Okay, so monkeys live in a tree. Next, you keep me in a coop. Okay, so this is the hen, and hen we can see, or you can say that hen and hen you can see in the coop. Okay, so for hen we can make a coop and they are kept in the coop. Next, you keep me in a shade. Who lives in the shade? In the shade, cows, buffalo, okay, such type of oxes, such types of animals we can keep in the shade. So you keep me in a shade. Okay, children, you can see that with the boxes arrows are made and arrows are indicating to the animals. So you keep me in a shade, it means this is the arrow indicating to the cow, and the cows, buffalo, oxes, all such types of animals live in the shade. Next, you keep me in stable. Okay, stable, who live in the stable? Horses. Horses are kept in the stable. Next, I live in a pond. Okay, so ducks, you can see that ducks are swimming in the water and they live in the pond. Next, last one is the you keep me in kennel. So in the kennel, who lives? Dogs live in the kennel. Okay, yes sir. So now move to the next chapter. Add a noun to each set of words. Write the group names for each set. Choose from the box. Add a noun to each set of words. So this is the set of words. Okay, this is the set of words, and there we have to write the name of the noun and the group of the noun. Okay, write the group of the names for each set. Choose from the box. So in the box hints are given. You read all these words and try to complete this exercise, like car, bus, cycle. Okay, so related to this vehicle we can use the different noun like scooter, truck. Okay, you can write the name of the any noun and it will come in the category of the vehicles. Okay, next is the rose, jasmine, lily. These all are the name of the flower. So next to flower you will have to write according to your own choice, and in which category it will come? It will come in the category of flowers because they all are the name of the flowers. So you can write lotus or any favorite flower which you like most, you can write there. So in this way, my dear children, there is a set of words. So what you will have to do here, in the noun you have to write the name of your favorite things related to these all sets, and in which group all these nouns come, you write the name of the group also. Okay, so in this way this is completed. In the next video we will read more about nouns. Okay, हम नाउन के बारे में ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे, but we will read in the next video. Okay, bye bye.